This section is the Appointment Plus. This is our scheduling software and the software that you will be using to get all of your appointments. You go to appointmentplus.com, spelled just like that, appointment-plus.com, and you click up here on the top right where it says Client Login. You click Client Login, and right here you log in. The login, for instance, is Miami, and then the password is car wash. You just punch that in and click Login, and you will see the Appointment tab right here come up. And for instance, this is in the South Florida area, and you click on this to get the correct city that you're in. But we're just going to utilize the South Florida area right now. And you have to click Go if you do select another city, so it'll go to there. But on this main page will be the date of the actual detail days, and you get your client list right here where you see the 9 o'clock, the 12 o'clock, and the 3 o'clock. I'm going to go on ahead and click on this 9 o'clock for you. And the 9 o'clock in this box will show you the first name, the customer's last name, the address that you'll be going to, the city and the state and the zip code. And of course you also see on here the detailer who it's with. You can change that if you're moving appointments around. The service, this customer is getting a semi-detail, and it's on an SUV/minivan. The other services available are the full detail car, the semi-detail car, full detail SUV minivan, semi-detail SUV minivan. And always make sure there's a service in this section. The number in group will always be 1. Thursday, the date, the time, it's scheduled, and this is typically the cost of it, unless there is a Groupon number involved, which is, as you can tell right here, that means the voucher you'll be collecting, but we'll go over more about that. This globe right here, if you click on that, it opens up a new window on your computer, and it opens up to MapQuest, so that it'll give you the actual directions, location on MapQuest, so you can see exactly where it's located in the city. For instance, right here in Miami. But that's just a great little tool that you can utilize. To change the days, you go, for instance, over here in the calendar area, you've got the 26th. You can click on the 27th, and it'll go to the appointments on that day, which you can see all 3 appointments, the 9 o'clock, the 12 o'clock, and the 3 o'clock. And of course you would just click on, for instance, the 12 o'clock, and you would see all that information on the address, the first and last name, the city, the state, the zip. There's phone numbers on there. Of course the detailer, what detail they're getting. The group number in group is always 1, the day and time, and also the cost. But as you see, the Groupon code is already entered, so you know that you'll be collecting a voucher on that detail. But here's the phone numbers I was telling you about, and the email address. Anytime you do any changing to this, you will click on Update right here, where for instance, if you change it because of a rain out or something occurs where we have to move this to Monday at 12 o'clock, you would click on this right here, and it would give you the next following Monday, say May 30th. And if you click on that, then that pops up here. You would click Update to update the actual time and day of the customer. But you click Update, and that's how it loads everything back onto the appointments page, which is right. You just click Go here, or you can go over here on this and see which days. But as you can tell, that's our Appointment Plus scheduling software, and you can run reports. Right here is a useful tab, And with that report, you can run, for instance, the customers that you're going to have for the week, so that you not only have a computer access, but you can also have a printout of them, say from this day to this day, and you could you just click Run Report, and you could have a hard copy and print it out. You want to include, of course, the customer's name, the address, the city, the state, the zip, the daytime, the email, the service, start time, appointment date, for instance, all the things that you would want to include in that report, and then you could just print it off right there, Run Report, right there at the bottom. But all this stays the same, but it's this right here, the appointments, is going to be your main page. Like I said, you've got your cities here, then you click Go. For instance, if I was going to go to Atlanta, I would click on Atlanta, and then I would hit Go. And then Atlanta's schedule would pop up. So whatever city you are in, this is how you would do it. And of course, June 7th, it's that easy to see the appointments on June 7th. There's those three. If you have any questions, I hope this was helpful, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.